If you do your quoting from Tradify, you now have the ability to provide your customer with options that they can choose from when accepting your quote. This can be done by using sections in a quote. I'm going to open an existing quote to show you how this works. In this quote, I have a non-optional item, which is labour to remove an existing pan and cistern, and then I want to provide my customer with the option of a Caroma pan and cistern or a Roca pan and cistern. To make these two options available for selection, I need to add them to an optional section. Over on the right, I've got 3 dots. I'll click on these and I'll say Add to Optional Section. I need to give the section a name. I'm not going to worry about a description at this stage, and I need to make sure that Optional is selected, and then click OK. I want to do the same thing for the Roca option. I'll hover over the line that the kit is on, click on the 3 dots, Add to Optional Section, give the section a name, make sure that Optional is selected, and click OK. You can tell if a section is optional or not because it will have the word option on the right-hand corner of the section. When you view the quote, it will be obvious to the customer that these are options. I'm going to approve this quote and I'm going to email it to my customer. When the customer receives the quote, they can view it online, read their options and see the different pricing, click on Continue, and choose the option that they would like to go with, and then accept the quote. As per normal, you will be notified that your quote has been accepted, and when you open the quote, the option that has been accepted will be displayed.